Let me take you there. Fuck! Hello everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to one more place. So hoping that you guys have enjoyed the last vlog. So only for you guys I'm going to another place. I'll be showing you Sakleshpur. So this place is situated in Karnataka, about 250 kilometers from Bangalore. So unlike the last time, I'm going to this place with my friends. And the worst part is I'm waiting for my friend to pick me up because my vehicle is out for service. And he's making me wait. So Friday I'll be going to office. काम धंधा भी देखना ना भाई. लग गए. अब इतनी देर कहीं को रुका है हमारे को. बोला तूने कहीं को रुका है. Office now. We'll get to work. We'll have breakfast first and see you guys in the evening. So I'm done with the office. As you know, it's December and Christmas is coming up. So we have a small dinner. After dinner, we'll be going to a friend's place, and then from there, Sakleshpur. Can you see this? It's a Ferrari helmet. This is something you'll get only in India. What's up? So we have reached Sakleshpur about half an hour ago. Slept for like just an hour or two in the bus. We know, right, friends, and damn tired. I want to sleep, but then we are here only for a day, so there's no time to sleep. Enjoy as much as possible. It's very cold. It's damn freezing out here. Couldn't bear the cold at all. This is the resort we are staying there. You can see the buses and stuff there. I'll freshen up, have my breakfast. Obviously very hungry. There's some entertainment stuff here. Some archery, some carom board. Some bonfire is already lit in the morning. You can imagine how cold it should be then. Look at that. Lokesh. So apparently he's an actor for us. He didn't act in anymore. He's an actor for us. Oh. Dude, show your acting skills. Show, dude. Hey, Ombi. एक नंबर का हौला है इन्हें. बोल रो कर रहे बोलते भी नहीं कर रहा. What should I do?
Afterwards I'll do. Full scene.
So we are done with our breakfast. Other guys are playing badminton. This guy is trying to do something. He has no idea about what he's doing. One guy is trying to hang on the trees. And our actor is sitting with me. So what's the plan today? भाई आज का plan क्या है?
Trekking जाएंगे.
Trekking. We'll go for a trek. Apparently there's a.
We know the plan, man.
Apparently there's a waterfall here. So we'll be going to the waterfall, trek, have some fun there. No idea what to do there. The only thing we know is trek. He's a very good actor. I don't know what's wrong with him. He's not acting today.
Now it's like fucking you. No. I don't. तुम्हारा सर्विस है. ये मैंने बोला सर्विसेज का हार गए कबड्डी बाहर निकालनी तो रेसलिंग हो जाएगा अभी. हाँ चलो चलो आ जाओ। अरे आ जाओ। ए भाई अपना
मारो भाई। क्या ये भी मारो। नहीं उसको लगाई नहीं नहीं लगाया।
सोनम गुप्ता बेवफा क्यों है?
पूनम गुप्ता एक्चुअली एक लड़के के साथ रिलेशन में थी, शादी वादी हो गई। फिर अचानक से क्या हुआ, 8 तारीख को मोदी जी आए।
मोदी?
यस,
मोदी जी की
और
जय।
बोले
मोदी जी की जय। मोदी जी की जय।
और बोले मेरे प्यारे देशवासी, 500 और 1000 के जो लीगल टेंडर्स हैं वो ख़त्म हो रहे हैं, और जो 2000 का है वो हम लोगों ने विकास के लिए लॉन्च किया है। पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड माय लॉर्ड।
नोटेड।
उसके बाद क्या हुआ, जो सोनम गुप्ता थी वो किचन में खाना बना रही। उन्हें लगा कि अब सबसे बड़ी करेंसी विकास के पास है, तो वो विकास के पास चली गई।
अच्छा, तो विकास के पास तब से सोनम
गुप्ता बेवफा है।
समझ गए तुम लोग?
जरगंडी जरगंडी।
So we are going for the trek now. This way. Look at that, guys. Isn't that amazing? I think we are going there. I don't know. Let's see. Oh damn, this is dangerous one. One slip and you're down. So can you guys hear the waterfall sound? I hope you do. If you don't, please use a damn earphone. See, this is the way we need to go in. I don't know if I'll fit. Okay, I actually did. And there's a waterfall there. There. It's a very small waterfall. Small mist here, and it's so slippery. You'll go down. Fuck! We discovered one more waterfall, but for that, need to go somewhere there. So, this is the third waterfall we found. And this I know they are very small, but they are waterfalls. I have one very serious advice for each and every one of you. If in case you are trekking in future, do not wear these. I know nobody does. Never wear it. Even if you're thinking of it, never wear it, because I just had a very bad slide and I hurt my knee. It's paining. So we are done with waterfalls and treks. Did some coffee sightseeing. Lol. See, I got some coffee seeds. So we are going back to the resort. Probably we'll have lunch, play some volleyball.
Then swimming.
Then lunch.
Then dance.
Then dance.
Rain dance.
Rain dance.
And then playing.
Yeah. ये सब ख्वाबों में करो. Going on a small boat ride, me and Mahesh. This one. So this has pedals, and he's finding it very difficult to get it. Jao.
Welcome to Jet Airways. This is your pilot and co-pilot Mahesh here. We'll be going from this corner to that corner in 20 minutes of time. If you have any breathing problem, ऊपर से गिरता ऑक्सीजन लटका लो और इन लोग चड्डियाँ पहन के ये होना था ये. Ah, right.
Don't play in this thing.
You're going there. अरे भाई सारे अरे ना रास्ता बदल दिया. यहाँ at least it will be like.
Super tired. So it's 3 in the morning and a sudden change in the plan because of
Cold and cough.
where is this guy? This guy. This guy. Can you see that? Charlie Chaplin. We are leaving for Bangalore. We should light off कर दिया. भाई पिछले से होंदा. वो दोनों अभी उधर ही अटके हैं. This guy is here. That guy is still stuck there.